Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shobha from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Information Science and Engineering, subject Analysis and Design of Algorithm. In this, we will discuss about brute force approach. Introduction to brute force approach. The brute force approach is a straightforward method for solving problems by trying all possible solutions. It is often used when the problem space is small enough and enhanced such is feasible. In ADA, the approach can be implemented effectively when it's strong type and modular structure. Characteristics of brute force algorithms. Brute force algorithms are characterized by their simplicity and arrays for easy of implementation. They Gaussian finding the optimal solution, assuming e- enough time and resource are available. However, they can be inefficient for large problem space due to their exponential time complexity. Common applications. Brute force methods are commonly used in cry- cryptography, such as cracking password. They are also applied in combinational problems like traveling salesman's problems. In other, brute force can be utilized in various algorithms such as sorting and searching. Implementing brute force in ADA. ADA, a strong type system, allows for clear and maintainable code when implementing brute force solution. The language modular capability enhances the easy separation of conquered in brute force algorithm. By using ADA's built-in data structure, developers can effectively manage combination and permutation. Example problem: password cracking. A typical brute force example is cracking a password by testing every possible combination. In order, developers can create loop that iterate through um, all potential characters combination. This showcases how brute force can be implemented to solve real-world security challenges. Limitations of brute force approach. The main limitations in the time complexity which comes grow exponential with the size of the input. As the problem space increases, the brute force method becomes impractical for timely solution. Additional brute force does not use heuristics or optimization, making it less efficient than other methods. Performance considerations. While brute force Grattan's success performs must be monitored to provide timeout. Developers can optimize brute force implementation by parallelizing tasks in ADAS. Profiling the algorithm's performance can help identify bottlenecks and improve efficiency. Alternative to brute force. Alternative includes hesitate method and optimizing algorithm that may find better solution faster. Techniques such as dynamic programming or greedy algorithm can outperform brute force in many senses. However, this alternative may not create the optimal solution like a brute force approach does. Best practices. when using brute force. Always consider the problem size before applying brute force to avoid inefficiency. Use ADA concurrency feature to enhance performance when applicable. Documents the algorithm thoroughly to ensure maintainability and clarity of the brute force implementations. Conclusion: the brute force approach remains a fundamental technique in computer science and programming. ADA provides a robust framework for implementing such algorithms effectively. While it may not always be the best choice, understanding brute force is essential for problem solving skills. Thank you.